Good morning po. Ito po si Kanduray again. So we are here in the park called Hueralid. Magpipik. Hueralid. Is it husband? Is it Hueralid?
Hueralid
Hueralid.
National Park.
National Park. So we're going to explore that because it's as you can see, look at the sky, the blue and rain. Gray and boring, but we are here and fighting for our lives. We will see the colors of the trees because it's autumn and it's getting really beautiful here because everything is in a nice color. So let's go po. Follow me and follow us. Hello, hubby. Say hello.
Hello again.
Hello again. Oh, nandito po tayo. Ito sa park na ito. This is the most visiting park in this area. And this is the cafe. But I don't think that is open. So here we go. Scenery tayo dyan, mga kagaray. Yung si Habi, nakatutok doon, tinitingnan kung saan tayo pupunta. We're going, and this is the place where the people take some photo. So, let's go, Habi. Ito po ang restaurant nila. Pag summer, dito po, bukas po ito, pero hindi ngayon. Hindi po ito bukas ngayon dahil winter na. So doon restaurant ito. Pero I'm not sure, maybe it's open. So you can see that's the color of the trees. So let's go continue. So here we go. Yan, pwede dito po mag-picnic. This place, madami pong lot of tourists. Because one of the recommended places to visit. Ang daming pong mga upuan dito. As you can see, may grill doon sila. Parang nawala na ang mga ang mga yan, may cameraman. Ayan ang ganda sa itong mga yan po andito. This is the scenery. Oh, there is sign that where you can go. Look at this one. And imagine all the people. Mali tayo, baka tayo ma-CPR. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, ito po ang grillan sa family. You have your family here. So, grill ng grill. Yan. Ganyan po ang grillan dito. Ngayon minsan nag-grill po dito. Sometimes grill here. But people knows that it's gonna be a bad weather. So it's good for us because we are almost alone with the photographers and everything. So let's go doon sa water. It looks like water falls. So continue tayo kay Habi, the jungle and the jungle. Parang si Don the Jungle ito ay. So follow the leader. Tayo. Sunod tayo sa leader. Minsan ang leader getting lost. Are you lost, little baby? Ang ganda ito. Look at this one. We stay here for breathe in and breathe out. And this is the breathe in and breathe out. Pero this one is really magic. What do you think, guys? I can stay here for a whole day and just enjoy this view. Oh my. So let's go. Ang hubby ko nagka-calculator. Hello hubby. Follow your queen. Jag får mycket vatten. Ha? Oh, this is the ano ang tawag dito? I don't know what this is.
The valve for letting water out of that pond.
I don't know if you hear my husband, but that is ito talagang very quiet here. Look at this one. It's out there in the morning. Seneri tayo dyan. La 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 la. Abby, what did you find?
Not the thing.
Because to say
På säkert fyllt.
it's raining today, but it's okay because we are so it's gonna be a tough weather today, but we have the clothes. And look at this, look, and that. I'm very happy today because this is my vibes and my husband's vibes. So we have a lunch with us, sandwich and hot tea and some dark chocolate. So let's follow me and I will show you the troll. Oh, what you call that troll?
Troll.
Troll. Let's go and follow. Taran! Ang sabi po ng iba ay ako ay maganda pero hindi naman po daw pala pala. Ganyo, quiet na quiet dito. This is what we love. Autumn is maganda. Pagka gray and rain every single day, and you are in the at work and then you go home and then dark again. You wake up dark, working all day, come home dark, and then now it's I have day off today and my husband, so we used to do this and being the nature. So follow me. Are you like me? So you are my friend and you are my best friend too. Isn't it, hubby?
What?
Where are you? Nature vibes?
Yep. Absolutely.
Nature, outdoors, people. Yeah, my husband. You know, if we do this together, we are like the bear and the deer, because we are the nature's animal. Yes, and continue po tayo sa mga pagmamahal ng ating mga Diyan sa likod ko. Ayun po, ayun. Mga bato yun. So, huwag na po. Si Kanduray. As usual, makintab ang mukha dahil may mantika. Nagmantika po ako kanina. May latik. Alam niyo yung latik? Ay, Hindi iskadora, hindi makatahimik. Pati si Yusuf una. Ngayon po kanina po ulan nung kami nag-drive dito, pero surprise po pagka si Kadura tsaka ako, ang asawa ko nasa labas. Maganda lagi ang panahon. Walang ulan. So, let's go. Ay, Pasko na. Ang mga Pasko ay narito. Ang asawa ko ay it's always ahead. Para yung tikbalang. Yung kapre tikbalang. Kung saan niya na yan. Lumuhod na. Nagdasal na si pare ko. Ang kano ay magpipicture siya. Ano kaya nakita nito? Ay, mga mushroom. Ang ganda nga naman picture. Meron dumating ng mga hikers. Tingnan natin kung anong kanilang makikita. Siguro pupunta rin sila dun sa pupuntahan ko. Yan, mga tao dun. Yung aking asawa nagkita ng maganda daw picture. So lahat ay nagpuntahan dun. You see the pathway. This is also quite dangerous because if you are not careful, you will slip on it. It's too glut, or what you call that in English? Glut? Slippery. So, be careful. Pero that's also good thing that they put it like the wood. So, then here we go. Malapit na po tayo. Uy, this is dangerous. Oh, wow. Menta! Antay ka muna. Ito, malubay. Naman. Pag ganitong basa po, madulas. Malapit na dun po tayo sa dun sa bato na sa bato. Ja också. Men jag tror jag minns att vi var där är den. Jag såg ju till dig, kolla. Att det finns en. So, dun po. Tayo, malapit na tayo. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, tanda ko yan. Ito, may ato. Pero hindi naman po ito. Yung nandun, sa kabila. You will see.